front of me is AGM H6, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off autocorrection. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, select System, Languages and Input, On-screen keyboard, and finally Gboard. Now it's time to click on this section called Corrections and Suggestions, and thanks to it, use this switcher next to autocorrection. This way you can switch it off or turn it on. Quick tip most people miss, that you can actually click on autocorrection on the left, and this way get access to this option called Undo Autocorrect on Backspace. You can manage it thanks to this switcher, and personally I would always recommend for you to at least try it, because it's making autocorrection even better. And if you won't like it, you already know where to switch it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!